Here. Under here. Under here. They've gone under here.
Yeah. Under this one. Go on through it. He's up against the wall. Yes, go on, boy. Dog. Another one under here.
Did face the wrong way. Meant to pose, mate.
It's a very traditional method of pest control. It is great fun and it's great. It's probably the best exercise a dog can have. It is a very specific and direct way of catching the rats. Poison, to be honest, you put poison down, you'll kill the rats, but then that then leaks into the ecosystem as well. So if people see it as a quick and humane way of getting rid of the rodents, so people everywhere are around rats and they cause untold amounts of damage, especially out in places like this.
Good lad, good lad. Good boy, Albert. Oh, Cooper's behind one. Cooper's got one.
Go on.
Here now.
They're going, wait, dead.
Let's try this out.
Oh, there he is. Going that way. There. Straight towards it.
Get it, Pip, get it.
Go under that feeder.
It hasn't come out here, so it's still under it.
There it is. Where?
Nice.
Oh, get it.
Right, I'm going to run out of treats at this rate. Pip. Drop.
That's the new method.
Drop. Good girl.
That works. There's the rat. There it is. How did I miss that?
Is it under here? Hey, it's gone. It went up there, Tom.
It's up here somewhere.
Yeah, it moved there somewhere.
There, come back. Get it out with it. There. Come on, boy. Under that IBC. There it is. Under this IBC.
Oh. Yeah, here it goes.
Go back in.
Keep taking.
Move this out of the way.
There. We've got it here.
Good dogs. Good girl. Good. Leave.
It's doing really well.
I've been working on drop it and leave with the ball.
Oh,
Christ almighty.
Leave it. Leave. Else.
Hit. Drop, leave.
Leave it. Got one.
Get
Get it, one. It's gone. It's going that way.
Yeah, it's got it.
Oh.
Woohee, here we go. There's a lot of smoke. Yep. Little bit of white spirit in the morning. There he goes. Get it! Get it, Coop! There's another one.
it out.
Get it, Pip. Good girl.
Good girl.
Another one coming out here, I reckon. One here.
Yeah, Bell's marking. Looks good.
it is. Saw it. It's there. It's there. It's there. It's there. It's there.
Here, here. Yeah, it just popped out. There it is.
There it is. It's under you. There.
Here.
See it.
Where is it? Kitty
There
bell.
it is. It's
Kitty
its
bell.
tail. It's right under Pip's nose.
Get
There.
a
See
pip.
its
Oh
tail?
yeah, I see it. Yeah. Yeah, just there.
It's just
Some-
here.
Underneath that bit of wood. Yeah, it's another one for us, a mouse. Oh, it's a little one maybe.
That's a big
There.
one. Hey, he's on it. He's on it. He's on it.
Go now.
They seem to think.
Yeah. There it is. I see
There
it.
it is.
Get a pip. Oh, yeah, that's slippery.
There it is.
Yep. Same
There it
Cupid. Good dog.
One there. Out. In there. Get it. Good boy. Go on, it's got you. I'll get you. Good job.
Good dog.
Good dog. Good boy.
Here.
Belle, get it!
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Belle. Get it, Belle. Here. Here. Get it. Good dog. Good dog.
Live one. Not a lot we can do to get them out.
Just lift it, Tom. Just lift it.
Oh. Dead.
Grace. Ready, Grace? Probably come up. Go.
Go on, Cooper. Go on, Coop. Go on, boy. Good lad. Wow.
That was good.
Enough.
Very good.
There's Belle. You weren't even over it.
Tip up. Actually move it. Sort of. Yeah, get it, Coop. Good boy. Good boy.
There it goes. Go on. Good girl. Belle. Dead. Belle. Still behind now.
Two of them.
Three.
Yeah. Cooper's ready. Get on, Grace. Good girl.
That's one. Oh, it's gone up. It's going up. Here it is. That's it.
Yeah.
Get
Nice.
it, good boy, get it.
Good boy.
Get on. Get on. Get boy, get your face. Get it, Cooper. Get on your head. Get it, Grace. Give him a hand. Go on, still alive. Good boy. That's a good size one, that is.
Yeah, it's big one. Grace.